Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G60. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security, go to Screen Lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, then PIN, next password, and in the end pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint, select add fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the power button. Simply tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust your fingerprint position. Tap done, and it's set. Now you can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply set up face unlock and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.